I retired in 2016, and we lived in north of Atlanta at the time. And, we had decided we were going to move to Florida, and I had a process serving business at the time. And when we moved to Florida due to COVID, I couldn't get my certifications that I needed for my process serving or any kind of private investigations work. So it sort of steered me in this direction. My name is Roger Malone, and I am from Cross City, Florida. And, after a career in law enforcement over 20 years, I was looking for another career. And, at 45 years old, I still have a lot of time left. So we started camping 4 or 5 years ago, and I took an interest in camping, and then I took an interest in working on those RVs, and so here I am at the National RV Training Academy. It was exciting to come to Texas. It was exciting to see the Big Red Schoolhouse, and I thought the instructors and the curriculum were absolutely amazing. Todd Henson did a great job. You can tell he's very knowledgeable about the industry. And as far as the advanced instructors, just super knowledgeable instructors, and they make it so hands-on. It's just a no-brainer. Read the reviews. I'm a reviews person. There's not going to be any better curriculum, any better training, any better instructors anywhere in the United States. This is a top-notch facility with top-notch instructors and top-notch training.